Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and as you know from the title, I want to make this little special video to thank all of you who have subscribed. We just hit 1,000 subscribers to this channel, which I think is incredible, and I really am grateful for every single one of you who has subscribed. So today I'm going to be doing a little something different. We're going to be reviewing some of the hospital supplements and nutrition that we give some of our patients. So as a doctor and a surgeon in training, a huge part of patient care is making sure they're well nourished, because a lot of that has to do with wound healing and getting the strength to go through surgery. So it's actually really important that patients eat, and if they can't eat enough, that they get supplements. So honestly, I was just kind of curious because we give these to patients all the time. I was wondering what these things taste like, and if it really does taste gross, and if it's tough to swallow. So this is going to be a little bit of a taste test slash mukbang if you're into those. And so we're going to go through all of them, but here they are right here. So we have this little assortment of things that you can find honestly in a lot of pharmacies. Some of these things are specialized, but some are just nutrition supplements. So some of these are kind of just whey protein and really just to supplement, but some have a little bit more of a therapeutic thing in terms of having a bit more purpose. Like this one says it's for chronic wounds. So we're gonna go through all those and we'll see. So the first one I'm gonna try is Ensure. So basically this is Ensure. It's a milk-based drink that has some protein and a good amount of calories, and you see this is the compact format, which they say is half the size with the full kind of complete nutrition. I've had these before in the past when I was a little scrawny kid. Sometimes my mom would bring them home so that I could drink some extras of these, but we'll go over it and see what it tastes like. So it's not the most appetizing color ever, but it's like this little, it's kind of like, it just looks like a vanilla shake. It's a little bit more brown than your typical vanilla milk, but let's see. It's really thick. Pretty good. It's definitely quite sweet to my liking, but I could see myself drinking this, and it's pretty tasty, especially the little format here. And this is 220 calories, 9 grams of protein, so it's pretty good. It does have some oil, and you do definitely feel it, but overall it's pretty good. So next we're gonna do next is the chocolate version. So it's the exact same one, Ensure Compact. It's a chocolate version. So I feel like I think I know what this is gonna taste like, but let's see. Definitely an aftertaste for the other one there. So this one smells chocolatey, but has a little bit of a fake kind of smell. Color is pretty decent. It's like this. It's a regular chocolate milk, I would say. It doesn't look that different from chocolate milk. Let's taste it. Oh, very thick, very sweet. Definitely like a milk chocolate kind of thing. And again, it has that bit of that oil that you definitely taste. So it's definitely not just like chocolate milk. It's much thicker, but again, definitely, and again, really sweet. So I don't like this one as much. So I kind of like the vanilla a bit better. But if I had to drink, one of these a day, I'd down it pretty easily, I feel. Next up is this one. It's called Resource. I feel like it's kind of just the same thing as the Ensure there. This is vanilla flavor. Actually has 20 grams of protein and 477 calories for this box. So it's almost twice as nutritious. Which actually, it's 2 times the volume, so it's like 2 of these. But it looks like a nice little box here like this, and has a little straw. This one's really thick, honestly. The vanilla is very similar to the Ensure, but man, that is really sweet and thick. Like, damn. I'd rather drink the Ensure, but maybe this has more protein and stuff, and so it's a bit better. But It says to serve cold. This is definitely like lukewarm. Maybe that's one of the problems too, why it's so thick, but not my favorite so far. Oh, it's like syrup, honestly. Moving on to Boost, an alternative to the milk protein and the milk-based ones. Essentially kind of for the same thing. So it has a bit of protein, 8.8 grams here for this juice box, but they call it a fruit flavored beverage. So this one's orange flavor, and there's also like berry flavor and all that. It's a nice little juice box, but essentially it's similar to, I think, the Ensure in terms of nutrition. So if you're not into all the milk stuff, then you definitely have some of this. So to be fair, this is not just for patients. A lot of, I don't know a lot, but there's stories of some residents in surgery, because they don't have time to eat, they'll stash some of these in their pockets and just use it for quick nutrition. I haven't done that yet, but you know, if some taste good, then I don't see why not. It's like a little milkshake, honestly. So it's like a little juice box. It's orange flavor. Yeah, it tastes like regular orange juice, like orange. Not like a orange juice, but like, you know, orange flavored drink, like one of those fake orange drinks. But it's really tasty, honestly. It's really tasty. It has this little aftertaste that's like, it's like metal, kind of like copper. It's kind of like licking a penny. So it does have a little bit of copper, it says here, kind of probably to, this has a bunch of minerals, so it's kind of normal. It has a bunch of minerals, but like definitely quite coppery, but it's I would say it's the tastiest one so far. Yeah, this one's pretty good. So next one, I've been saving this one kind of for last year. It's called Peptamen Intense 1.0. It doesn't specifically have a flavor there other than a hyper protein flavor or high protein flavor. I don't think this means that it's grape. It's a bit purple, but it doesn't say there's a specific flavor. The packaging is quite nice, so I was thinking this could be one of the best ones. And also, we're looking at 23 grams of protein. So I don't think it comes with a straw, but it has a little seal here. I think I'm just gonna peel it off. Yeah, there you go. So the color is kind of nice. It's really this white milky one. It smells similar to the Ensure, the vanilla. And it smells kind of just like bland, nothing too crazy. Oh! Holy shit. The fuck is... What the That is nasty. Holy shit. That's like... Oh, it's like milk. I don't know if it's out of... It smells like... It's like sour milk, but like... No, it definitely says here it's not expired, and this doesn't get refrigerated or anything. But honestly, it says unopened package may be stored at room temperature. So these are generally not refrigerated or anything, but... And it's made to drink like this, so... I'm gonna taste it again, but this is... Oh, this one's disgusting. I gotta say, I thought it looked nice, but it's disgusting. I would not recommend this one to anyone, and I would feel bad if anyone had to drink this. By far the worst one. I'm gonna actually wash my mouth with some water. Holy shit. Okay, so the next ones are actually these powdered ones. So I'm gonna go make them, and I'll show you what they look like. Alright, so the first packet we have is called Beneprotein. From what it looks like, it's kind of just a supplement of whey protein. It's 25 calories, 6 grams of protein, unflavored. And it's meant to be added to any drink or food. So just really as a supplement of protein for patients who can eat or drink other foods. And so this is what it looks like in the water. I think I put the right amount there. It looks kind of yellow, but not anything too crazy. It doesn't look too milky, but let's see how it tastes. It smells pretty neutral, if not a little bit like whey protein. Oh. It's definitely it's kind of just unflavored. It definitely is the most kind of flavorless one. It's kind of like it has a slight like that whey protein powder feeling, but it's not too bad. But if I had to drink this, it'd be like you can kind of maybe close your nose and drink it, but it's not that bad. It's really not that bad. It just doesn't taste like anything much, and it's not sweet or anything either. Meh. Overall, I guess this is what it is. Like, it's just an additive for extra protein on your meal. Not bad. Next one we have is a kind of a specialized one. Sorry, I ripped it open here. Banatrol Plus. I don't know if there's a regular Banatrol, but it's Banatrol Plus. This actually has main ingredients: banana flakes, Bimuno, whatever the hell that is, lactose, glucose. Does contain some milk, and if you couldn't read on the packaging, it says for diarrhea and loose stools. So I guess this would be for someone who's suspected to have maybe even C. difficile. This says here, yeah, if you have C. diff infection, you can start them on this. I was excited because it looks like it is banana flavored, but I guess it's actually just like banana flakes in there. So this is what it looks like. I know it looks a bit mucky there and it has a little bit of stuff, but I guess it's because it's banana flakes in there. It also smells like mashed banana, you know, like a cooked banana muffin. It actually tastes like, it smells like that. So I'm kind of excited. Yeah, honestly, it doesn't taste so bad. This really does. It's just like banana flavored water, but it doesn't even taste like the fake banana flavors, you know. It's pretty much just banana flakes and water, and so definitely drinkable and almost even enjoyable. Actually, this is one of the top ones so far. There's no protein in it, but or at least very minimal. And finally, the last one that I'm honestly most excited about is this one here called Argiment, and the reason is because it's orange cream flavor. So I'm suspecting this, in my mind, this tastes like an orange creamsicle, which is really exciting. It says here it's made with mostly whey protein, has some protein and some fat. Whole packet like this is 160 calories, and if you can read there, but it says that it's advanced therapy for chronic wounds. So when people have chronic wounds, you need to give them protein so that they heal. And stirred up, it looks like this. So it looks pretty standard, you know, for a powder that you mix in. Oh, there's just a little bit of foam head there on top to make it even tastier, but we'll see what it tastes like. Yeah, that's basically a creamsicle. It's pretty tasty, honestly. There's no like aftertaste too much. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Maybe like some fake sweetener, I don't know. Yeah, there's like some sucralose. So yeah, it tastes like that a little bit, but it definitely feels orange and cream. It definitely feels like a creamsicle, honestly. So this is pretty tasty. If I had to drink some of this, no problem. Yeah, I think this is my favorite. So overall, I know they're not all the same categories of things. Some have like protein, some are milk based, some are for other things. So these ones actually taste pretty good. Like the flavors are kind of what as advertised. There's no like weird aftertaste or fake artificial taste. So I'm actually impressed with these. These are pretty good. The other ones are pretty standard, like Ensure and all that. I think that, you know, if you're trying to get nutrition down, obviously that's the priority, then it's not so bad. This one's a bit thicker than I expected. This one's definitely really, really tasty. You could easily down one of these, but there's that metal aftertaste. This one, however, Peptamen Intense. Well, I don't know really who kind of okayed this for selling, but it is nasty. It is really, really gross. And I'm not a snob for milk or anything, like different kinds of milk, but this one really tastes gross. It tastes like spoiled milk. So I wouldn't really recommend it. And if I had a choice of giving it to my patients or one of these, if cost was kind of the same, I would not recommend this at all. So I'm not sure why they made this video really. I was kind of just, I wanted to try a bunch of these things and make you guys see what they taste like. But if you made it this far in the video, you're not subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content. And if you are subscribed, thank you again. I really appreciate hitting this milestone. So see you guys in the next video.